Super welcome to this part of the video. I want to this part where I'm going to talk about the present tense, where there is a third scenario, third situation where we are describing the possession of something. Now, this is where many people get confused. Okay. Has and have are both present tense as well as, so has is definitely present tense. Now, what you have learned is the past tense of has is have. Now, that is also true, but that is true in another context. Context means situation, which is past tense. I will talk about that later on, but right now you have to understand that you can use both has and have in present tense as well. But when will you use them? You will use them when you're trying to describe the possession of something. Possessions means that you are in control of something. Okay, so what is the example, and when will you use has and when will you use have? So here is the funda. Now these are auxiliary verbs, right? So here's the funda. Whenever you're using he, she, and thee, or it, you can use has. For example, he has a big house. Okay, that means he owns a big house. Right now, he owns a big house. She has a nice purse, which means right now she is possessing, or she is the owner of a purse. Right? The monkey has a long tail. The monkey possesses a long tail. Right? Now here you're using has. Now where will you use have? You will use have when you're using I, they, we. Right? So I have a pencil. Right? They have money, which means they own money. I own a pencil. We have 2 children. Right? So that means we own 2 children's possession. Okay, so I hope you're very clear that you can use have in present tense as well. I think you already know this, but maybe sometimes you might be getting confused when to use has, when to use have. So you will use has when it is, he, she, thee, or it. Okay, and you will use have when you have I, they, or we. So please write 20 sentences, 20 examples on each of them. Okay, and create a screenshot, take a screenshot and attach it with your assignments. And after that, we will go ahead and move on to the next chapter, which is going to be the past tense scenarios. See you there.